Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the SP 500 index fund analysis, the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the DXY or US dollar analysis. This is Thomas with you again, guys. We came back in another video. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join us in Telegram. The link of our Telegram is down in the first comment. And if you are a subscriber, make sure to smash that like button, to write down a comment, support us, guys. So let's start, guys. As you see here, guys, we got that the SP 500. That one also enter short because we used to have here that megaphone here. When it's breaking here, we enter short. Till now, there is no buy entry yet, guys. Also, we're still in the range of that flag here I showed you before. And maybe when that video is going to be live, it's going to come the Fed minute. Is it at 7 something? So you need to be careful, guys, because that one may be all that pushing up because the Fed meeting is going to come to tell us something different, and you're going to see it falling down. So also here in 4 hours, guys, as you see it, also we're still in the range of that flag here. Till now, there is no candle breaking here. So not yet, guys. There is nothing yet. Unless if it's a candle came and breaking here, that's another story. Or maybe it's going to go up to touch here, that level here. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down to touch downward here. So nothing new, guys. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen. Nothing new, guys. Remember that. There is nothing new, guys. Today there is the Fed minute meeting. Is it at 7:30? Now it's 5:45, guys. So you need to make a close eye at those things, man. I'm telling you. Not yet. Not yet. Don't try to open any trade yet. I think picture is too clear to you guys. So here in the SP 500, there is nothing yet. Also, we need that break to happen either here or either down. If it doesn't break, there is no entry here in the 4 hours. Remember that. I've been telling you that. It's our indicator, guys. What it's saying? Our indicator as you see it. Also, we are here at the oversold area. We need to looking for a buy opportunity now. Did we got any price action here? The only price action we got is that channel here. Till now, there is no break happen up. So also, we are not going to enter. We need to wait and more what the market is going to tell us. It might from here, you're going to see it just came here. Then after that, it's going to break down. Because that one down is just an oscillator. You don't need to base your trading on it. Remember that. Everything is too clear. Now, let's going to see what the SP 500 doing in 30 minutes, guys. So let's go there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, focus it with me here very, very, very close. What you see in here? You got here a very clear head and shoulder, guys. It's not yet completed, but it's there. And here, look with me what you got here. You got here like a triangle, guys. Yes or no? And it's not yet, guys. It's not yet. It doesn't break in upward here, so there is no entry long. It doesn't come down to break downward, so there is no entry long. There is no entry short. We need to wait and what's going to happen, guys. Also, we still sideways here in 30 minutes. There is nothing new, guys. Even if you came like that and you do it like that, you still have here a big triangle. It doesn't being broken up or down. Here in 30 minutes, there is nothing new, guys. Also, we need to wait in a little bit. What the Fed meeting is going to tell us. All that pushing upward you see now, it just may be a manipulation of the market, guys. You need to be careful about that things, man. I'm telling you. It's our indicators, guys. Our indicator, it enter here to the overbought area. We need to look in here for a short opportunity. There is no price action here because also we stay here in a sideways market as you see it, and as you see that supply and demand zone here, how long it's been like that. So till now, guys, there is no entry long, no entry short. Also, we need to wait in a little bit. If there is any price action here, it's going to come. Until now, my advice to you, don't enter here as a scalper or day trader. Don't open any order. You need to wait in the news to pass. If the news doesn't pass, there is no entry, no long, no short. Also, we staying sideways here. As you see it, all along we being sideways here, guys. All the people, they waiting what the Fed is going to tell them. So don't try to open any order now. Remember that. Now let's go into the Nasdaq 100, guys, to see what the Nasdaq 100 doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Nasdaq 100. That one here, we enter short also because we used to have here that megaphone when it's getting broke here. We enter short. Came down here. I told you protect yourself because we used to have here a very stronger supply and demand zone here. You take some of the profit. Now what you need to do, you need to wait in the same thing here. Look with me here. You have here like a down channel like that. It's my down is going to touch it here. Then after that, you're going to see it falling down. So till now, there is nothing new here, guys. And you can even make here a flag like that. As you see it. So here in the 4 hours, we don't have nothing clear yet. Also, we are just here in a sideways market. Nothing was changed, guys. And I show you even here, you can even make a flag like that. And you wait it if it's going to break down or it's going to break upward, guys, because even if it's break upward, you're going to make it take profit of that one. It needs to be here. So till now there is nothing new here in the 4 hours, guys. Let's see our indicators, what they're saying. For the picture to be more clear to you, so it's going there. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, we enter here to the oversold area. So we need to look in here for a buy opportunity. The price action, the only price action we have here is that one here, like that. You can make in that down channel here. You wait if it's going to be broken up. Till now it's still very early for you to look into for a buy opportunity. And me, I told you today the best things to do, it's not to open any order, because the Fed meeting, guys, all the traders and all the investors, they waiting what the Fed is going to say. The Fed meeting is going to come few minutes soon, so make close eye at it what the Fed is going to say. Remember that. Everything is too clear, guys. Now let's go in to see the Nasdaq 100, what it's doing today in 30 minutes. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in 30 minutes. Same thing here. Look here. We used to have here a very clear head and shoulder, but the market, he couldn't break the neckline down here. So there is no entry short. Now here, look with me here. He tried to give you here like a double bottom. Until now, it doesn't break in the neckline here. Even here, there is no entry long. So you need to wait in a little bit here in 30 minutes. And me, I tell it to you, it's coming, that Fed meeting. Don't try to open any order, guys. Don't try to open any order, because if you see here what the market being doing here, you are in a very, very, very sideways market, guys. As you see it, the market, he couldn't even break. You stay sideways here all that long. So the same thing now. Don't try to open anything. Try to be in the safe side, because the market, he don't know what's going to happen to it. It's going to change, guys. So let's see our indicators, guys, what they're saying. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, is it here at the overbought area. You need to look in for short position, but now there is nothing. Don't open nothing now. Waiting the news to pass, guys. After the news, then you can do anything you want. Let's see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, guys, as you remember me, I show you here, we got a divergence. Now it's very close to touch it again here. So maybe from here it's going to touch it, then after it's going to fall down to the oversold area. Also, we're still waiting what's going to happen. Till now here we got a divergence, a very clear divergence here in the chart, guys, and here in our indicator. And that trend line of the divergence, it hasn't been broken yet. So it's still very, very early. And even for the SP 500 is the same thing, guys. That's why me, I told you it's not yet. You need to wait in a little bit. It's not yet. It's better for you to wait and to enter in the safe place than to rush, and you're going to see it doing like that and like that, because it's going to come a big volatility after the Fed meeting. So you need to make a close eye at those things, me, I'm telling you, guys. Now let's go into see the DXY or US dollar index, what's it doing today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the US dollar index. That one, me, I told you here, we need to enter long, because it's been like that. We used to have here a triangle like that. It's getting broke here in that place here, as you see it. But let me show you something else here, what it done here. Look with me here. If we doing that triangle like that, like me, how I did it now, and you seeing down here what happened here in that zone. Here, let's zoom it a little bit for the picture to be more clear to you, guys. As you see, it came to that zone there, and it give you here like pin bars, guys. So maybe that one is going to push higher. So now what you need to wait in that one if it's going to go high and to break that last high here. Till now, nothing confirmed, guys. Also, we're still here down. So if the market go upward here, that a confirmation the downtrend is going to change. Till now, it's not yet. You need to wait in what the Fed is going to telling you. Our indicator, same thing, guys. Let's see it. As you see it, also we've been here at the oversold area all along. So till now, there is nothing new. And here we need to look for buy opportunity. Till now, as you see it, I'll show you that one. Now let's wait in if that one is going to go higher and to break for us that last high here. If that's happening, you're going to see it going upward, guys. If it's not, you're going to see it falling down. So let's wait in what's going to happen, guys. Now let's going to see the Bitcoin, what it's doing today in 30 minutes, guys. So it's going there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin in 30 minutes here. By the way, for some people, in the last video, as we said here, we have here a wage like that. Yes or no? When it's breaking here, we said enter short. Yes or no? So now you, my friend, if you enter short from here, let me tell you, if you enter short from here, where you should put in stop lose, you are in 30 minutes, you are in scalping and day trading. Where you should put in stop lose, you should put it here and the top. Not a part of scalping. Should put it here. It came down here. I told you protect yourself. That's what me I told you, protect yourself. And even if you see in our indicator like that, what our indicator telling you here in that zone here, it enter here to the oversold area. So you need to protect yourself now. Then by night, look what happened. It go up. So you, if you left the stop loss here, well, that it's being hit. So you trading without stop loss and you coming to me telling me blah blah. Is you need to, that a part of scalping. You need to accept it, the decisions of you. If you are right, you make profit. If you are wrong, you lose. That's it. That's a part of trading. There is no one is always winning 100%. Like here, when we enter here long from that zone here. Tell here that it was right. You don't come to blaming me. And you don't share the profit of you with me. So now, when here it came and going upward and you trading without stop loss, it went tail up. Here you came to blaming me. You need you to take the responsibility for all your decisions. Yes, you follow me, I give you my analysis, but me, it's not obligatory to give it to you. Me, I just share my information with you or my knowledge with you. So you need to learn to trade with stop loss. Without stop loss, there is no trading. If you're trading without stop loss, you put in all your account as a gambling for one trade. If it's fine, you make money. If it's lose, you're going to lose all your account. That's not a part of trading, that's gambling. If you're gambling, that's another story. So now here, guys, where we are in the Bitcoin. We are here at the overbought area. Should we enter short here? Unless if that channel here, look with me here, you got here an up channel now, like that. If that one came and breaking down here, the down of that channel, and the 200 moving average, you can enter short. Now, there is no enter short now. Did we got any price action here? Yes, you can make like that. You get a wage like that. And the wages, if it's getting broke here, you can enter scalping from here to the 200 moving average. And using that indicator here. By the way, to get that indicator, there is one video here in the channel. His name, how to make $100 a day trading cryptocurrency. You go in the description of that video, you're going to get that indicator. And when it enter here to the oversold area, you protect yourself. To protect yourself, you take some of the profit and you move the stop loss down or up. Everything is too clear, guys? So that's it for that video, guys. See you after the daily candle finished. Bye for now, guys.